If you're experiencing login failures on your Steam Deck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and optimize your device for a smoother experience. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Steam Deck is connected to a stable internet connection. You can do this by navigating to the settings and testing the network connection. If there are issues, try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi or using a wired connection if possible. Step 2. Verify Steam credentials. Double check your Steam account credentials. Make sure you are entering the correct username and password. If you have forgotten your password, use the password recovery option on the Steam login page. Step 3. Update Steam Deck software. Ensure that your Steam Deck is running the latest software version. Go to the settings menu, select System, and check for any available updates. Installing the latest updates can resolve compatibility issues that may cause login failures. Step 4. Clear Steam cache. Clearing the Steam cache can help resolve login issues. To do this, go to the Steam settings, find the Download section, and select the option to clear the download cache. Restart your Steam Deck after clearing the cache. Step 5. Contact Steam support. If the issue persists after trying the previous steps, reach out to Steam support for further assistance. Provide them with details about your login failure, including any error messages you may have received, to help them diagnose the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve login issues on your Steam Deck. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the Steam community or support team.